Hey guys, and welcome back to Aussie Action 4x4. So the last time that you saw us, we painted this bull bar, and today we're going to be installing it on the mighty Pathfinder. Let's dive right in. Alright, so the first step of this process is to take everything out of the stock bumper, which will be the light bar and also the fog lights. Oh wait, might unplug it first. I wonder where the wire is. It's in this mess. This is the plug.
Oh, is that
sweet?
Yeah, that's just
So that should like go out the bottom somewhere. Oh wait, is there a nut on the back of this? I can't remember how I did this. I'd give it a pull.
There you go.
Sweet.
Oh,
sweet. Light bar's out. That's going to go under the new bull bar as well, hey?
Yep.
Sweet.
And now we'll disconnect fog lights. I'm just trying to figure out how to unplug this thing.
I got it unplugged.
Really?
Yep.
Did you push on the little
Nope,
tab?
you don't push.
What do you do?
I'll show you.
Oh, you've pulled it.
Nope.
Yep, there you go.
I just turned it and it came straight out.
Not the bulb.
I got the whole thing out.
Don't touch the bulb.
Wait, what did you want out?
The plug.
The bulb's out.
Oh my god.
Just leave them like those.
Yeah, now it's time to like tape up and cut.
This is gonna be the sketchiest thing ever.
Okay, so using the bumper bar, the grooved highlight line, which is this boy, run 12mm wide masking tape from the fender opening from the left side all the way across to the right. Align the lower edge of the tape with the groove in the bumper. So because this is 24mm tape rather than 12, I'll go roughly halfway in the center of the groove. And it should be alright. Yeah, let's send it. Alright, I'll put... That's pretty good.
Looks like you're trying to fix it.
Is that even like straight? Oh, it's not straight. I mean, that doesn't look too bad, does it?
No.
Alright, do I just cut?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll do quick check.
It's actually 12 centimeters. I mean, that wouldn't be too bad as long as it's not like 12 half millimeters.
So they say to use a jigsaw. I can't be bothered getting it out, so we're just going to use the angle grinder.
You should also check if there's anything behind where you're going to be cutting. Any like wires.
She'll be right.
Get ready to cut.
Maybe.
Meadows.
Yeah.
And now it's like not even halfway. Should just come off, shouldn't it? The only problem is this side still has a bit left.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
I think some of the plastic like melted together.
Oh yeah, definitely did. Is there anything remaining? Oh. Oh wait, you got it?
Damn, it's like smoke, like the actual metal is smoking
Oh,
inside.
not my.
That's out. I saw it drop a little bit.
Okay, I got the top one. That's a guarantee.
Sweet.
So wait, you might need actually.
Damn, that's so hot. Make sure you're pushing forth.
Okay.
God
You might need the breaker bar for this one.
That's insane.
Someone want to hold the bar?
Gonna give this one a shot?
That's way too tiny.
No, I mean like I'll get the big boy.
Should someone hold the bar or should be alright?
Damn. Alright, I'm gonna have to get that friggin' 2 meter breaker bar.
Run, Max. Oh. Never mind.
Never mind, I'm strong.
This is bent. Oh, they break. Oh, sweet.
Dude, did you get that on camera?
Almost. Sweet.
So bring it.
You basically direct us.
Can you go up? Because it has to go.
That's just touching the thing, honestly.
Yeah, so bring it just outside of the guard and go up. Jonah, you need to go up.
I can't go up. Okay.
Towards you, Jonah, and up.
You need to go outside of the thing.
Yeah.
I can't. If I can go like there.
Does it squish in?
I'm touching the guard.
Yeah, I went outside the...
Bring it down.
How close is it on my side?
It needs to go up by the coaches. Hey, bring it forward towards me, just so you're not on the guards. And it'll just give you an idea of how high to go. So that's the height.
Okay, I can't. I'm gonna be scratching your guard's kingdom come.
Yeah, so we'll need to cut the guards.
Cut somewhere along there, yeah.
But I think I need to cut like probably there-ish, along that line there, and then along there-ish.
That's Sunday.
I'd say to hit.
You mean you say it?
So the line that I want to cut is basically there. So bottom of that one, all the way to the corner of that and down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nah, I didn't cut the wheel. Alright, retry the bull bar, I guess.
You might not have a number plate either.
Wait, no, you do. Perfect.
What are you doing?
Perfect.
What are you doing?
Perfect.
Oh, does they none of them line up with that?
No,
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, but you need drill holes.
Why?
doesn't fit.
Use little ones.
Do you have little ones?
I don't know. Where are these? They're not the right thread.
Oh, wait, yes they are.
Oh, really?
This one is. Just force it. Just force it.
Oh, actually, yeah. I just had one.
Okay.
Alright, I'll use these.
She's a bit bendy.
Yeah.
You got a rubber mallet? Yeah, boss.
They're about making it total time.
Sweet. Sweet.
There you go.
There she is.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go. I look like the expert mechanic that just knocks it into place, you know?
Damn.
You know that one?
Rightio folks, that's the end of the video. We've mounted Max's R51 Pathfinder Bull Bar to the Pathfinder. So, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see how we painted this Bull Bar, click the video over there. If you want to see one YouTube recommends, click that one because they know you better than us. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Aussie Action, out.